Hello friends. So let's welcome to all of you in the Tech EDI channel. So we are just going to be talk about the EDI 204 transaction set. So 204 transaction set is going to be talk about like motor carrier load tender. So what is motor carrier load tender? So the thing is 204 is known as a motor carrier load tender. It's like a EDI document used by the shippers to offer or like vendors a truckload or less than a truckload, the shipment to carrier. Okay, so we are basically going to be used in the transportation domain. This document is going to be used, and we can see the further information on this. So the 204 transaction set is the motor carrier load tender, electronic document originated from the paper like motor carrier load tender. It's going to be used for the shipment like whenever it's required. So let's move forward. So what is the information contains in the 204 EDI transaction sets? So the basically 204 EDI transaction set include the shippers and receivers information, like for their identification information, like with their names, address, vendor ID, and equipment numbers and all. So basically, it's going to be a define the item quantity and like the truck carrier size, length, and load details, including with the quantity and weights. So basically, we are going to be used in the transportation domain. This is going to be very helpful, and we are going to see there are other transaction site as well, which is going to be included in the transportation domain, like 210 document and 210 document is called as the motor carrier phrase detail and invoice, which is going to be used for the invoicing detail, and 214 document which is going to be used for the transportation carrier shipment status message. And another is the 211 which is going to use the motor carrier bill of lading. So this is the thing. And if we talk about further on the 204 transaction set, let's move forward. The transaction set. These are the segment information which is included on the EDI file of 204 transaction set. So let's move forward with the one to one. Like here's the ST transaction set we can see for the like transaction control header. So next B2 segment is going to be defined the beginning of the segment for a carrier like for the invoice or SCST standard carrier alpha code and other information. And B2A is, a segment is going to be used for the set purpose update transaction set indicating the new load tender. So N1, N2, and N3, you already know regarding this is going to be used for the address information. Let's move forward for the L11. So L11 is very important. So we are going to be use the L11 is going to be used for the business instruction and reference number, which can be a purchase order number or a reference identification number. Next, we have the G62. G62 segment is going to be used for the date and time reference. Suppose what are the dates going to be used over there and what is the time. And next is like S5. I think we have covered it here. The S5. So S5 is going to be used for stop like off details. So what are the stop off details we have, like indicating the information regarding the uh, like the shipment where is going to be stopped and in between the shipment. So and next we have uh, the transaction side. Let's see. So we have the LX and L3. So these are going to be used for the transfer for the shipment purpose, and we can see L5 is going to be used for the mixed and unsorted. So these are there is the information related to the reference number as well, and then one N3 and N4 is going to be used for the like for the supply chain and logistic address for the shippers or for the carrier, or like we can say as credit trading partners information. And last we have the information regarding the uh, SE. So SE is going, you already know regarding the SE. This is going to be used for the transaction set trailer information. So this is the thing. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you.